Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. So a Jamaican drop on him face a Guyana and everybody a blame mackerel plus the killer them go for Breezy, a Mall Road and the 13th Street Dan and make a show no where Dalvas cars.
Morning family, top of the morning again, Outer Road speaking again. This Monday morning, this coming Monday morning, is a no movement day in Jamaica. No movement day. If you cannot take part in this, stay home at your yard. All truck drivers, bike rider, taxi operator, this will be affecting you. Your driver's license will be taken away. You understand me? From all 14 parishes of Jamaica, share this video for me. Monday morning will be a holiday in Jamaica. We will not lose our driver's license. We will not take this from the government. So join solidarity with us, you Jamaicans. Wake up Monday morning.
When you see them viewers, so make we talk about that one, you know. When you see where Dalvas cars boy, yeah. After I'm in the House of Parliament, I make big speech. I talk about him want ban ride shares app and Uber. And I talk about him go suspend how much taxi man license. My viewers, you don't know who I go feel it in this already, you know. The local, the regular people, them, you know, where if you take taxi, you know, from a day-to-day basis, you know, if you go work or if you go where them have to go, you know. Where everybody I go do now. Pack up in a JUTC bus. So as when I say my people, where am I try say? I only taxi man I take where people boy ya. I only taxi man a predator boy ya. I only taxi man a the wrongdoers them boy ya. Where abduct people. My viewers, all of this no make no sense. And I hope him look into himself quick and fast, me and tell you no. You hear that my people. Me know say the girl go missing. And me know say the girl lose her life. And me know say them a say it was a little taxi brother. But my people, pick sense out of nonsense no man. All over boy you have criminal. Predators then in every parish, everywhere. And not just man we drive taxi alone. So as when I say my people, when you see where the Alvas cars, look out for this thing on Monday. Taxi man them say them a go up and strike. So my viewers walk with me now. See me a Jamaican where the man them spread him out over Guyana. Them a say that brother here is a Jamaican artist, you know, and him go by the name of Navarre George Bartney, you know, and him live in a little area of Guyana where named Sophia, Greater Georgetown. Viewers, me I hear say that hombre there him yard, and a man pull up on him yard, man come slap out him head, me I tell you no, till see they know, squaddy them over Guyana, say like them have the brother we do it in custody. Everybody boy ya blame mackerel. People, I tell you no this. I one Caribbean, you know, and certain times we see certain things that go on the media, you know, where we not like, you know, but I saw it go more while you hear that, and some people need to think that with we black people, you know, always I try fight down with one another, tear down with one another, and want to see we one another drop out, fi giggle and laugh after one another downfall. So as I say my people, Jamaican singer, drop out in a Guyana, when you hear that. So walk with me again. See me, Wrizla, squaddy them and say him was the done for the 13th Street gang, you know, my viewers, but you don't know. Program road. Him wasn't the done, my people. Him was just one of the man them where supply the gang, where feed the gang, and you don't know enough from you have power in the gang, you know. People are gonna look upon you as a general and take talk from you. So see me, my people, squaddy them go for him and go make him play number 3 a beer. And as what me always say, squaddy them a clean up the city. So no for uno we a dirty up the city. Uno go get it in a the worst way, me a tell you no. So see me, latest victim forget it. Although we see say from week, a portion to man a get it down a mobile, me a tell you no. So as what me say, squaddy them a clean up the city. So to all of the man them we a plan for dirty up the city, you go get a bag of 9 ball in your head. So my people, gonna stay safe out there, you know. Until next time, you know, and protect on the 3 points. Watch on the surroundings, whether on in a taxi or bus or on a walk. So until next time.